Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on day 11 and quick weight loss update. I stayed the same this morning. The days that you stay the same, like 2 days basically, and or you know, yesterday and today's the same, sometimes those are hard to deal with because you want to see that progress, but you just got to keep rolling. And so today I kept it going, ate healthy so far today, and I don't know what I'm doing for dinner. I think we're doing maybe some type of low carb tacos or something, low carb chicken tacos, but that is the plan. And actually right now we're gonna hop into Home Depot here, go check the clearance section, and I'm looking for some lights for the booth. And so let's go see what they got. All right. Hey guys, welcome back. So I want to go over what I got at Home Depot, because I was stopped at Home Depot. It wasn't as good. Didn't find any sales, that's why I didn't really bring this along. I did find this. Got this for 20 bucks. I needed some new bits. I was really struggling with finding stuff out of my old stash. Yesterday I needed something and I couldn't find it, so this will come in handy. And then I got a latch and I got a lock. This cabinet we're building here for our store is going to have a lock on it so that we can put some of the more expensive stuff in it that we're gonna sell. Some of the video game stuff that needs to be behind a locked cabinet. So that's gonna be really cool. All right, so I thought, what would be fun? Oh, I also picked up these garage lights. So we need a little bit more light in here. It's probably dark right here. That's certainly gonna help a lot. Also, what else was I gonna say? Oh, I was gonna show you guys these signs I picked up today. Picked up this one. Picked up this one. Anyways, I really think those are going to be good additions to the store. I think signs, I always draw the signs. I always see, and I'm like, oh, let me check out that booth. So, you know, I don't know if I'll make much money on them, but I'm really looking to just draw people in. Picked up this one, 7-Up sign. This is a Chevrolet sign. Picked up a couple that just had some sayings on them. US 66, Route 66, and another Chevrolet one. So, those are going to be an addition to the store, so I'm excited about that. Put these right under here. Show this off today. So my wife and daughters worked on this. We're working on making this a display piece. They're not quite done with it. They gotta set it up a little bit and glue it down and stuff, but that's something they're working on. I guess I have it on the wrong side. That'll be the side. Anyway, so they're working on that piece for the store. All right, so I thought one of the other things is I got some more Kinetic in, so we'll unbox that on camera. Late night video again, you know, we're just grinding. This is day 11 and we are keeping after it. We're gonna finish this up. Let's unbox this Kinetic, let's go. Okay, so I got a 12 pack. I got the variety pack, so this is gonna come with the 3 different flavors. It's got the pineapple passion fruit, the blackberry lemonade, and the strawberry peach. So, super excited about this. I really like drinking it. You know, I started out on the channel day 4, I think, so when I started drinking it. I only had 4 of those, so now I got 24. Gonna throw these bad boys in the fridge, have one in the morning, and I was definitely feeling different on these. I really felt the energy. So I'm gonna do probably 14 days. We're gonna go 14 days and see what happens. Kind of just give you guys a report each day and see how I feel on the Kinetic. So we'll give you an update, and I'm super excited. Now that I got a ton, I wouldn't call it a ton, but I got 24. This is definitely expensive. I would say price point, I wish it was cheaper. I get why it's not. It's got ketones in it. Ketones are expensive, but about $5 a drink. I think I got it for about $4 a drink. I think it was 101. Hey guys, we're gonna wrap this thing up. Thank you guys so much for watching. The views have been going up. The likes have been going up. The comments have been going not much up, but you guys can make them go up right now. Leave a comment. Tell me what your diet you're doing. Tell me how you're feeling. Today's been a tough day for me. I'm tired and I haven't slept for the last 2 nights. So I'm going to get this wrapped up, get this uploaded to you guys, and I will catch you guys on day 12.